What's up, gang? BMI back with another investing video. Today we're going to be going over some stock picks. I've got 5 stocks for you guys, and some of y'all have been leaving comments and have been doing well with the last stock picks or the other stock picks. If you don't know, go check the videos that we've been making on all the other stock picks. Most of them have been performing pretty well, so congratulations to all of you that are green and making some money out there. You know, before we get into these stock picks, I got to tell y'all that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only, all right? I have no idea what I'm doing. I just like to talk about stocks that I like, I'm interested in. These ones are on my radar. You should put them on your list as well. All right, so I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to keep it honest and talk about some stocks. So let's get into it, y'all. 5 stocks for you. The very first stock is an expensive one. I'm not in this one. I haven't traded this one. It's on my radar for tomorrow if it gets any more red than it is. The ticker for this one is TNXP. TNXP is down 22%. Last I looked, it was at $40. It could be under $40 by now. A lot of these prices are probably going to change, all right, because the market's not over. The day's not done yet, all right. This one was at $40 though. Could be going down. The 52-week high on this one is $130, and the 52-week low is $6.76. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, it just got an FDA approval for their therapy, I believe, fibromyalgia therapy, and over 1,000 patients in their last trial. I think trial 3. The updated results was 1,000 patients had reduced pain. So good news for the therapy drug. Not sure exactly why it's dropping. It could be something else related to the earnings. I think a lot of these stocks that we're going to talk about, it's the earnings, all right? So expect, or not expect, but look for a turnaround, hopefully a curl, hopefully going up with these stocks instead of going down, down, down. A lot of these are beaten up. The second stock is MTNB. This one we are trading. I have a few shares, not very many, more for just to market for tomorrow's trading session, because if this one's red, we are going to buy that average down. I like where it's at. It's 32% drop on it at $1. I want to say 58-57 cents right now. It was dropping last I looked, but our average is around the 160 range. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. The thing with this one is it was up this morning, I believe, around 10% or so, around $2.41. So it's taken quite a drop today. Could be dropping tomorrow. That's why you should put it on your radar. The 52-week high is almost $8, $7.91, and the 52-week low is 47 cents. So this thing could drop even more. Watch out for it. I think they canceled some warrants today. So there was some holders out there of warrants, and instead of the warrants, they took the stock. And it could be dipping because people think that they're going to sell, or they could have already sold. I'm not sure, but the volume is pretty low on this one. It's a little bit higher than the average, but the volume, last I looked, was 1.6 million. But watch out for this one. It's just a quick play for me. We're going to be in and out of it. BSLK is number 3. BSLK, y'all. Ticker symbol BSLK, down 6%, $8.30. Could be dropping some more. Watch out for it. The 52-week high is $116. Just wild range here. Very volatile. The 52-week low is $1.75. This stock last week was going crazy. It was up over 100%. I think it might have even been 200%. Just wild, straight up green all day last week. It's got a low volume right now, so watch out for BSLK. It's Monday. This thing could turn around, but it could also drop. You can tell by the 52-week low. Watch out for this one. Put it on your radar. All right, the next one, RVYL, ticker symbol RVYL, up 12% today, 32 cents, around 32 cents. 52-week high is $2.35, and the 52-week low is 25 cents. So it could be going back down to that 52-week low. It's doing well today. It's up 30. It was up 34% pre-market though, so it took quite a little bit of a dip today. I think it's still green. Hopefully it finishes green, but it could be creating a little bit of a dip buying opportunity on it, since how well it was doing pre-market. I really thought this thing was going to take off, but it took kind of a dip. It's still down 76% for the year. So I think the bad earnings and people selling this thing, short sellers are in this one. RVYL could be popping sometime this week. I don't know. It could be dropping tomorrow. So watch out for that one. And the last one that I have for you guys, if you've stuck around this long, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Let me know what you're trading, and I'll try to get back to you. But the very last stock that I have for y'all is ticker symbol DFLI. We've been watching this one. I like it when it goes red. So the more that this one drops, definitely gonna be watching this one. DFLI down 7% today, getting beat up. It's around 28 cents, 29 cents. So watch it, because the 52-week high on this one is $5.78, and the 52-week low is about 15 cents, which I believe it hit last week. So I'm looking at it around 25 cents. That's when I'm probably going to start buying some shares, depending on how bad of a day it is, where we see it going. Every day is different. Kind of analyze the charts in the morning for all of these stocks. So watch out. After hours could be crazy. These prices could change, but I hope y'all are making some money out there, and good luck to everybody. We'll see y'all in the next video.